He makes his own rules. And, even when it comes to mergers and acquisitions and contracts, apparently he thinks he can make his own rules. And perhaps he'll end up being correct here. But you do default to sort of the law. You do default to the contract to a certain extent. And so I'll lay that out for people as best I can, at least at this point. I mean, he signed a deal to acquire this company at $54.20. A lot of people point to that reverse break fee of only $1 billion. True, it's a very small fee, but that really only comes into play if there were regulatory objections that he couldn't get around. Then he'd have to pay that. This is about him already potentially being in breach of the merger agreement by casting doubt on the deal itself. It may be one reason why he followed up with that next tweet saying still committed to the acquisition. That certainly seems to have the fingerprints of his lawyers at Skadden Arps on it, saying, hey, you better put something else out because you're supposed to use your reasonable best efforts to get a deal done. And so that did follow. Interestingly, didn't do much to the stock price in terms of bringing it back up. And this is not a surprise in some way. The stock has been off all week, of course, with the weakness in the market. Its high was that last Thursday when he detailed all the equity investors who were coming in to join him in this deal. And we gave you some specifics in terms of the video presentations that he had made to those investors about his plans for the company. It was up in the 50s then. You can see where it is now. And there's no clear sign that this is going to change anytime soon. We're left just wondering where it all ends.
Yeah, look, I think you really got it down, David, because I think that he is able to get out, which, by the way, moves the stock of Tesla way up. Tesla's one of the key stocks in this market. Apple, Tesla, weirdly Coinbase matters, MicroStrategy matters. So you come in and everything feels a lot better because the possibility that he's done selling Tesla, which would make it the world's largest company again, just gives everyone great comfort.